Tesla Summon is an innovative feature that allows your Model X to move autonomously for short distances. It includes options like Remote Move, where you control the car through the Tesla app for precise maneuvers in tight parking situations, up to 100 meters. Smart Summon takes it further by enabling the car to navigate from a parking spot directly to your location in parking lots or private driveways. This feature is particularly convenient when you want your car to meet you, such as after shopping or in crowded areas. It leverages advanced sensors and AI to handle routine movements, making daily driving easier and more efficient. First, ensure your Model X has full self-driving activated. This requires an active FSD subscription, which you can check in your Tesla account or app. Next, on your car's touchscreen, navigate to the Controls menu, then Autopilot, and finally select Summon to access the settings. In the Summon menu, locate the toggle and switch Summon to the on position to activate the feature. Still in the Summon menu, enable the Remote Move feature to allow control via the Tesla app. Finally, in the Tesla app, set up geofences to define safe zones for remote move, complying with safety standards and preventing unauthorized movement. Begin by opening the Tesla app on your smartphone. Next, select your Model X from the list of vehicles in the app. Tap the Summon option and choose Smart Summon from the menu. The app will automatically use your phone's GPS to set your current location as the destination. Before starting, ensure the surrounding area is clear of obstacles and maintain a clear line of sight to the vehicle. The Model X will then navigate to your location autonomously using its sensors and AI. Remember to always supervise the vehicle's movements throughout the process. To use Remote Move in the Tesla app, start by opening the app on your phone and navigating to the Summon section. Once in the Summon menu, select the Remote Move option. Make sure Remote Move is enabled in your settings. After selecting Remote Move, use the directional controls in the app to move the car forward or backward short distances. This feature is perfect for fine adjustments when parking or exiting tight spaces. Remember, the vehicle must be unlocked to use Remote Move for safety. Safety is paramount when using Summon or Remote Move features. Always maintain a clear line of sight to your Model X during operation. Ensure the area is completely free of pedestrians, pets, or any obstacles that could interfere. Avoid using Summon in adverse weather conditions like heavy rain or fog, as these can significantly impair sensor performance and vehicle visibility. Be ready to take immediate control at any moment by releasing the app controls or pressing the brake pedal. Summon has specific limitations to ensure safety and comply with regulations. The feature is only intended for use in parking lots or private driveways and cannot be used on public roads. To use Summon, your Model X must have Autopilot hardware version 3.0 or later. This advanced hardware includes multiple cameras, ultrasonic sensors, and radar systems that work together to detect obstacles and navigate safely. Summon requires an active, full self-driving subscription, which costs $199 per month. This subscription unlocks Tesla's most advanced autonomous driving capabilities, including Summon features. Summon is disabled by default for safety reasons. To enable it, navigate to the vehicle's touchscreen settings, Controls, then Autopilot, then Summon, and toggle it on. Tesla pushes software updates over the air, meaning they're downloaded and installed automatically when your vehicle is connected to Wi-Fi. These updates improve Summon's functionality and address any safety concerns. If Summon isn't working properly, start by verifying your full self-driving subscription is active and that Summon is enabled in the vehicle's settings menu. Next, check your internet connection and make sure the Tesla app is updated to the latest version for proper communication and feature support. Ensure the car's cameras and sensors are clean and unobstructed, as any dirt can interfere with the system's ability to detect obstacles safely. If problems continue after these steps, refer to Tesla's official documentation or reach out to Tesla support for further assistance. Tesla aims for fully unsupervised Summon capabilities in the future, where the vehicle can operate without constant app oversight. This advancement depends on regulatory approvals and further progress in full self-driving technology. Future iterations of Summon may integrate with smart city infrastructure, allowing the vehicle to communicate with traffic lights, parking systems, and other urban elements for smoother, more efficient operation. Another possibility is cross-brand compatibility, where Summon features could work across different electric vehicle manufacturers through shared APIs, making autonomous features more universal. Keep an eye on Tesla's software updates for new features and improvements to Summon. As technology evolves, expect enhancements that make autonomous vehicle operations even safer and more convenient.